Hello everybody, my name is Billy Pratt and today we have some White Noise Online horror game for you. I'm joined today with Lewis Wilkes, also known as Family One HD on Xbox. So we're going to be playing a little bit of a horror game today. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Here we go.
Alright, I'm back.
Here we are.
Benny, where are you?
I'm right here. Oh man, I hate this game so much.
Oh, we need to find 7 pages.
Hello Mr. Monster, are you out here?
I've unlocked all the characters.
Hello, Chicken Nugget. Oh yeah, look.
Hey, where are you?
Look, I'm right behind you. Oh yeah, do you know how you can tell whether he's spawned in or not?
Oh, you need to get the first page. Oh, there's the green stuff beneath.
Oh god. Don't look at it. Hi. Yeah. You know that he spawned in when you get a lag spike. Yeah. Like you get a lag spike when he spawns in. Oh, there's one here. There's one here. Did you walk straight past it? Right, well that's the first one. We should be getting the lag spike soon. No, you're running off. I can't see you. No, stop. I'm right here.
Oh, he's on the right, he's on the right.
Oh god, where is he? Oh, he's over there, oh god.
Where is he?
Hey, it's game. Oh no, he's gone now. Oh god. Oh, you hear the music as well, and it sucks. I've got my headset on as well. Oh, this sucks for me right now. Oh, this is so scary. Okay, that's the last two.
We've got another, yes. I thought it was Did you see him?
No. Let's stop. Let's slow down a bit. I need to grip together.
It's because I've chosen the character as well.
Yeah.
There is another one.
Yeah, same.
I look in front of me.
Oh no, I hate this tactic. This sucks. Oh god! Lewis, he's right behind you! Lewis? Lewis, where are you? Oh, you there?
Yeah.
He was right behind you. I saw him.
He's biting me.
Oh god! Oh god! Lewis, save me! I don't want to die. Lewis, I don't want to die. Oh, he's getting closer. Lewis, you behind me? Yeah, you are. He's getting closer, Lewis.
Keep walking.
It's the music though. Like that's the scariest part. Like the music, it like sets the atmosphere like so much. Oh, dude, I'm so scared. I'm right behind you. I'm so scared to look behind us now. Oh, it's the green thing again. We just did a full circle.
Did he?
Yeah. I'm not looking behind me. No, that's just the thing. That's just the green thing. Okay, I can't see him.
Wait, where you going? I'm following you.
Oh, okay. Oh, he's right over there where I was gonna go. Okay. Dude. Oh my god, man. Oh. What are you out for? What? Oh no, I can really hear him now. That was really loud.
He's behind you.
Oh god, is he really behind me?
I'm bolting with it.
Oh no, Lewis, you got faster walking pace than me. Come on now. Don't do this. Oh, dude. Oh man, I'm getting so scared. I'm not one for horror games. I hear one. I hear one of the things. Oh, wait. so dead. That ass though. That ass.
My torch is flashing.
Look behind me.
No, he's not there.
I hate
We
this.
should walk through the map now.
Nah, it's probably best if we hold the wall.
Oh, I hear him.
Ah! Lewis! Lewis! We're getting separated! Lewis, we're getting separated! Oh god, oh god, oh god!
He's dead.
Oh god.
Getting closer and closer.
I mean, like, the first thing I see, like, if I even got a glimpse of this guy, I'd be out of here. Like, I wouldn't even be, like, staying here. Like, what the hell? Like, there are some serious plot holes going on there. Oh, Lewis, he's getting closer. Lewis, move. Lewis, move. Lewis, he's coming.
Oh, God. I just
Look to your left. Look to your left. Look to your left. Oh, he's gone now.
I am. I'm scared he's just going to him forever.
It sucks.
Right, take a left. It's graveyard. He's in the graveyard, but I'm going to have to go in the graveyard.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, he's so ugly! Oh, we're getting in one of those green things as well. This is not a good place to be in. I'm not liking this right now.
Yeah, we're on the road with this one.